We're visionaries. We see a tomorrow and we want to also help create the tomorrow that we want to live in.
Tomorrow for me would look like a place where everyone has equal opportunity to achieve or to pursue whatever goals they want.
I would say that the biggest problem for us for now are closed-minded people.
We need to overcome exclusion and break down barriers.
Within Solve for Tomorrow, we want to enable young people and innovative ideas to foster social entrepreneurship in Germany and build a better world for all.
We are Team Ingrid and we want to solve old people loneliness with VR technology and voice assistant. So we have an easy interface everyone can use, especially old people, our target group.
So basically we want to create an immersive experience for old people. So they could just put on the VR glasses, say start Ingrid, and then they can simply play bingo with each other.
So our group name is Greenlist, and people struggle to live up to their ecological goals, especially in the food sector. Therefore, we developed a smartphone-based shopping list that enables the consumer to shop sustainable and for their budget.
So we are the Animoys, the four gods of wind, and we are aiming to provide connection for the people in rural areas by employing wind power.
A wind power that is connected to a 5G antenna, which provides people who are living in rural areas or places with no internet with a reliable internet connection.
We are Dana,
Dennis
from Paged, and we make the web accessible for people with visual impairments.
We work with a software solution that enables the visually impaired individually to change text elements such as font size or font type.
Hi, my name is Katerina. I'm here today with EP Checkup, electronic patient checkup. I'm here because a couple of weeks ago my grandfather had a stroke which left him unable to communicate in the hospital, and that means we as a family rely on hospital staff to give us any information about him, and turns out they don't, because they just don't have any time or not there. And this is where EP Checkup wants to make the connection between relatives of patients who are unable to communicate and hospital staff.
Today we will have our mentoring workshop of our global innovation program Solve for Tomorrow. The teams will meet our Samsung employees for the first time, and they will also be connected to our external expert of our cooperation partner ekipa.
It was very helpful for them to get support from the legal perspective, from the sales perspective, from the corporate perspective, from the marketing perspective. So here they can, in a very short time, they get great knowledge to solve their problems.
I think the most valuable thing is how we are going to go the next steps on founding.
My takeaway definitely was that you should be able to explain your idea very simple, like you explained to a 6-year-old.
We've done lots of brainstorming to sort of narrow the idea down even further, and we've also learned a lot, or I've learned a lot about Samsung and its product offering and how I can connect it with my idea to make the product that is in my mind come to reality.
What we've learned so far is that Samsung has so many resources and an ecosystem that could truly benefit our solution. And not only that, they truly want to help us, which is something that we're so excited for.